Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing really well and have had a fabulous start to the year. Once again, wishing you and your loved ones a very happy and prosperous 2019. Now, you might notice something different today, and yes, I'm all dressed up and ready because it's Lori time back in Punjab. It's our very first festival of the year, and Lori is a huge celebration across Punjab. It is regarded as an extremely auspicious day because it marks the end of the winter season and is a celebration of all the warmer, sunnier days that are going to follow. It's a sign of prosperity, sun and warmth for our fields in Punjab. So yes, a big day. Lori time for me personally means spending time with my family, sitting across the Lori fire, eating, drinking, dancing, dressing up, and yes, doing all things that are quintessential Punjab. And to lots and lots of love and warmth. Talking of dressing up, now you guys might know that I love wearing Indian. Indian for me is my definition of the very basic jeans and t-shirt. It's the form of dressing I personally feel the most comfortable in. It's my go-to form of dressing, like jeans or sweats are for some people. But personally, if you ask me, I will always choose Indian as my definition of most comfortable attire. Now, I'm all about experimenting with fashion and my personal sense of style. And if we talk about Indian fashion, I deeply applaud the contemporary form of Indian wear that's making way into our wardrobes with its modern and contemporary cuts and silhouettes. But I'm a complete traditionalist at heart. I'm a true believer in the classic, and if there's something that I can never imagine myself experimenting with, is probably my traditional, my folk salwar kameez. Somewhere I think it also has to do with the fact that my roots belong to these very staunch, traditionally bound, religiously dominated cities across Punjab. My father hails from Amritsar, my mother is from Patiala, and now I'm married into Muxar. So these are very religiously dominated, culturally rich cities of Punjab, which probably is one reason that I've personally never wanted or deviated towards experimenting with how I dress in Indian. So with that said, I'm very excited to show you my outfit for the day, and I hope you guys like it.
For my look today, I picked this bright yellow and flame orange salwar kameez, much symbolic to the festival. This suit was a part of my trousseau 3 years back and was tailored to my fit. One of the most important elements for me whenever I dress up in Indian is the dupatta or the chunni as we call it. I personally do not like wearing my chunni too close to the neck, so I like to spread it out and then drape it. Of late, I've been trying to wear it like my mother. My mother drapes it around her like you would wear a shawl because that's the authentic Patiala way of wearing it. So it's just something I'm trying to imbibe. I've kept my makeup for the day very simple with just my regular base and some mascara. I've added a coral lip tint and a slight blush to match the outfit. My jewelry too are pieces that I would wear on a very regular basis. These clip-on earrings, my diamond bangles, my wedding ring, and my go-to Balmain watch. And finally, no salwar kameez look can be complete without a pair of Punjabi juttis. So certainly no better. I hope you guys liked my look from today and will give it a try as well. If you do, don't forget to share some pictures, and also don't forget to give our other videos a watch. You may also turn on the notifications so that you're notified whenever the next TNL video goes up. I thank you all for sparing time to watch this video, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye.